Hello and good afternoon. I've been asked by many people what I've used for my Faraday can. Well, it's just a galvanized 6-gallon can made by a metalworks company in Minnesota. And the reason I chose it was because a noted EMP professional had done his own testing. He works for NASA and was able to prove there was a 50 dB attenuation at 1 gigahertz. So let's take a closer look at the steps that I used in sealing and how I went about it. Once you choose your can, whatever it be, you want to make sure there's no leaks. So the way I did this was I simply went into a dark room, took a high-powered handheld spotlight, put into my can, then I took and put the lid on it, and looked for any leakage of light. So I looked at my seams, looked at the bottom, and around the lid. Anywhere there could have been any light leakage, I took Faraday tape, sealed the seams, and I made my own gaskets. I have a video about making your own gaskets. Then I sealed the seams on the inside. The next step was we wanted to create a barrier for it, and I cut just plain cardboard, put the cardboard in the can, and next I made a cylinder and placed that inside the can to keep things from touching. And inside the lid, I've got a piece of cardboard that sits on top to provide extra protection. I made seals to seal the can, and sealed any spots in the lid that there could have been any leakage, even though there wasn't any. And when I push it down, the seals make a compression seal and helps with the attenuation, so you have no EMI or RFI leakage into the can. I hope that answers some of your questions. Tune in next for testing the Faraday cage.